Oh God. That looks so inappropriate. Let me stand. Oh, sorry. That looked really bad on camera. Anyways, today we have a double. I wanted it to be a double. Ah, shit. Can't stand when I'm just woke up. Anyways, I wanted it to be a triple unboxing overview thing, but I couldn't get the S model, I think. But I did get the G3 and the G3F. So let's check them out, shall we? Alright. Well, upside down. This is the GameSir HK G3. This is the Android iOS version of the controller. So as you can see, precise D-pad, built-in battery, built-in dual shock motors, colorful lighting buttons, and turbo functionality. When I originally looked at that, oh, was it this, not this box? It was this box. So here is the box for the F model. And the F model has the same markings down the side. And I thought the engine was like, you know, check engine light or something stupid, not built-in DualShock motors. Anyways, we'll get to that one next. Creeper, get out of here. So this one opens, oh, backside. Info, QR code, thingy. Alright, so open. So we have game control mount. What mount? Oh, does this come with a... Oh, yes. Okay, never mind. I'm being stupid. So it shows the mount and instruction manuals. Who needs that? So this is the mount. Okay. So this mounts your phone up here. Fits pretty much any size phone, I'm sure. And then this goes around the controller. And here is the controller. We'll get to that in a second. And then it comes with a USB to micro USB. But what's this one? So this one is a micro to micro. So maybe you can use this to charge the controller or the phone. Nothing else. Nice closed cell phone, but anyways, enough about that. So there is those. So not a bad little unboxing. This is pretty interesting. So it has a metal grip. There's the button there. Okay, so it opens. So I'm gonna guess it goes like that. At least that's what the directions showed. And then snaps together somehow. Well, snaps together somehow. Do I push the button? Damn it, hold on. Okay, so you had to line the two tabs up and then push the button in. And as you see, I have turned the controller on. Let me turn off the lights. And you can see the joysticks glow. We get a blinking light down here because it's trying to pair, and some really nicely lit buttons. Read the instructions a little more, and if you hold L and R, so left top and right top button, I think it said for 5 seconds, so One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Haha! 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can turn the lights on and off if you want. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and we'll just set that one over here, turn the light back on, and pull out F. Because F is a lot, like this one. But there's one big difference that this has that doesn't. That works on Bluetooth. This one doesn't. So, the back. Anyways, open this. I already cut that little tab because screw trying to cut it during a video. And about nothing else in the box. We have a standard USB to micro, and then we have the controller, which is identical to this one. The only difference is oh, fuck. That it comes with the standard phone model comes with this, and that the phone model has, let me hit the button. Either way, there's 4 lights here, but there's nothing there. But whereas on this, it has what you're connecting to. So this one's trying to connect to my Android. This one won't turn on. Oh wait, yeah, it will. It has a power button. So there we go. So no icons. So the reason there's no icon is because this uses 4.2 gigahertz radio frequency, which is pretty awesome. So what that means is if you wanted to plug this into, this thing's hard as hell to get out. You know what, fuck it, it can stay in there. So you plug this into your PC, your Mac, your PS3, or your Android. So with Android, you would need a OTG cable, but this works with Android. So let's hop into a gameplay real fast with this controller, and I'll show you how it plays. So we are going to play some Goat Sim, but instead of using the on-screen, oh fuck me. I herped instead of derped. Oh, there it went. Okay, so instead of using the touchscreen controls, I'm using the keyboard. So let's go to, let's just go to Goat City real fast. Okay, and here we are, and as you can tell, there's a lot easier movement because I have a controller. And all the controller buttons are mapped like they should. Oh, come on, I want a lick. Yeah. Boing, boing. Boing. So you can see how much easier this game is to play. Oh, what the fuck am I? I'm an egg. Spider Goat? Oh, I'm Spider Goat. Oh yeah. I want to go over there. Alright, how about up there? Can I go up there? Master. Any other goat queen, classic goat, tall goat, normal goat? Let's be a giraffe. So, again, you can see that this game's working just fine. Stand up. Stand up, you fuck. Alright, whatever. Anyways, let's switch to mine. Oh shit, I'm underwater for some reason. Okay. So, as you can see, Minecraft works just fine. Actually, it works a hell of a lot better since you don't have to touch the screen. You just play it like regular Minecraft. No touching screen, looking around and all that heavy shit. None of the controls being on your on your screen the whole time. You know, stuff like that. You can easily look at yourself. I mean, pretty much do anything you want. It works. Oop, oh shit, where'd I drop that? It works just like the Xbox controller does for the Xbox version of this game. Pretty much. Anyways, that was about it. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the recording. Just got done recording this, and man, it works so freaking well. I see me wasting a lot more time with this and this controller at work because it makes playing games so much smoother. Anyways, this has been KrypticNexus, and if you liked the video, like it. If you disliked the video, like it. And if you really liked it, subscribe. I'm sorry. These videos 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, Friday. So, yeah, constantly putting out content. So subscribe. Bye. I almost forgot. I got both the G3 and the G3, or shit, the GS3 and the GS3F, or the G3F, and I don't know. I got both these controllers, the G3 and the G3F, for a discount from the seller for an honest, unbiased review. And you just watched it, so I completely forgot to put that statement in there, and I don't want to, no, that's bad. You guys need to know I got this shit on a discount. These are damn good controllers for, I think these are $33. I got quite a decent discount, so it wasn't free by any means. I still had to buy this, but fucking awesome controller. Anyways, I should just use him. I'll stab you.